JK Wrangler Mess Hall Table Installation Video. Tools needed: ratchet, Allen socket, socket set, wrench set, drill bits, rib nut tool. Included hardware. Step 1. Remove the trim panel on the tailgate. You're going to need a fancy upholstery tool or a flathead screwdriver to take the trim panel off the tailgate. Step 2. Find your holes. Okay, secure the base plate to the tailgate. You're going to measure from the top of the base plate to the top of the tailgate. You're going to get 3 inches. Then you go from the side of the tailgate all the way back to the side of the base plate. You're going to get 2 3/4 inches. You're going to mark those holes with a paint marker or a Sharpie. You're going to make sure the table is level on the tailgate. Time to drill some holes. Okay, so you're going to get your drill. You're going to get a 3/32 drill bit. You're going to find your marked holes, and you're going to drill the 4 holes in the tailgate to install the supplied rib nuts. Let's install some rib nuts. So you can use a rib nut tool, or you can use the rib nut tool included in the hardware kit. We like the big rib nut tool, but obviously the other one we can supply you will work just fine. So you just line them up, stick them in all 4 holes, and ready to go. Setting up the table frame. You're going to grab your trim piece, you're going to put it back on, you're going to line up the backing frame, you're going to just start the bolts on the bottom to locate it. You're going to mark the holes, and you're going to drill the 2 holes in the plastic so you can fit the spacers in. Okay, install the table frame. You can get the 2 small spacers. You can just stick them in those holes where you drilled out the plastic. You're going to get your bolts and your cup washers. You're going to start one. There you go. Bolt through the cup. Start the other top one. And you're going to want to go down to the bottom. And you're going to start those ones. Install the tray table. You're going to grab the rubber bumpers. They just get pushed in to the cup washers. Grab the tray table. Grab yourself the washers, the nylon spacers, and the nuts. You just get that little snug, so it has a little resistance. Pull the table down and grab the cable and the supplied hardware. Just tighten those firm on each side. Alright, let's secure the tray to the base. All you do is grab it, flip it up, and those are just spring loaded. They're just going to snap back and push on the bumps. So with those rubber bumpers, you're not going to get any noise or any rattles or anything from the table while you're driving down the road. You won't even know it's there.